Welcome to Electron Automation. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use and connect manual changeover, sending in our supply from NEPA and sending in supply from generator and getting our load connected. Now let's start the connection one after the other. So I'm going to show you with the circuit diagram. So we are going to use this bulb here as our load. So this bulb will be connected as our load. So I'm going to show you with the circuit diagram, and this cord is going to use to bring in a NEPA supply to the changeover. Now let's see the circuit diagram. All right, so this is our changeover with neutral and live from NEPA. Let's call this NEPA, and this is another neutral and live, call this generator. All right, so we have a load which is the output of the changeover. So this is the output of the changeover. It has neutral and live as well. Now this is how the connection is going to be made. We are going to have our NEPA in from this point, the live and the neutral from this point. So in this instance, this is the connection have already been made. So all we need to do is to plug in here, which is going to be our supply. So this socket is now going to be our NEPA supply. Then we are going to connect these 2 points here to the changeover. So let's do the connection together now to the changeover. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open the changeover. So I'm going to open it here for us to do the connection. So this is where the terminal of the changeover is. So how do we know which one is neutral and which one is live? So we are going to use A. We have seen A and B labeled here. So we use A as our live and then use B as our neutral. So I'm connecting my own. So you need to slag it before you do the connection. All right, so I'm done connecting the live. So I'm going to connect the neutral now. All right, I'm done with the connection. So I'm going to cover it back. So the next thing we are going to do now is to connect our load to these points. So we see A and B as well. So I'm going to open the terminal. This is B and this is A. So you know that B is our neutral and A is our live. So this is the load. This is our bulb. So I'm going to connect it now for you to see. So B is our neutral. So this is our neutral cable. So I'm going to slag it, fasten it back. All right, I'm done. So I'm going to do the same to this terminal, which is A. So I'm going to connect my live terminal to A, the live of the load to terminal A of the changeover. So by so doing, we are done connecting the load. So I'm just screwing the bulb in now. So let's connect the live of the supply of the NEPA to the changeover for us to power our load. So this is it. So I'm going to use this outlet here. All right, so I'm done, and this is our load. So what we are going to do is that if we change it to this side, we are now going to get our NEPA supply. So our load is going to power on. But when we take it to this side, is where we were indicating to be our generator. So you see, this side, the downside was our generator, which is this side, and this side is our NEPA, which is this one that is connected here now. So you notice that there is no generator that is connected. So we have just moved the generator. We have not connected generator to it, but load is being connected. So this is what we did. We connect our bulb. So this is our bulb, and this is the neutral, this is the live. So we connect the neutral to this point, we connect the live to this point. So by so doing, we power. So this is the socket, this is the neutral, and this is the live. So That's how we power it. So let's see the working principle now. All right, so you see the bulb have turned on. That means that the changeover have even supply to the load. So if we change it back to neutral position, you have seen we have just turned off the load by keeping the changeover at the neutral position. So if we take it to this side, if there was generator supply from this point, we would have getting our load supplying from the generator. So the load would have been power on supplying from the generator. But this instance, since we have not connected the generator, that is why we are not getting a supply to the load. But if you take it to the NEPA, you are definitely going to get a supply from the generator, from the NEPA to the load, which is this. So I hope you enjoy this video very well. So if there is any question, feel free to drop it at our comment section. So in our next video, we are going to explain how to connect a switch, a 1-gang switch, and to control one bulb, and how to connect 2-gang switch to control one bulb, and how to connect 2 switches at different positions to control one bulb. Thank you.